Okay guys, this is a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck Foundation Series. Foundation Series has a full self-drive. You don't have to pay for the subscription. It's fully paid for life. Supposedly, I guess the light bar is supposed to be brighter. It's got extra protection underneath it for off-roading. You can actually power your home off this one. Is included in the Foundation Series, so you can pull the power off your battery, run your house. Obviously, it will take some extra connections. Has cut floor mats in it. Take a closer look here. Some of the options. Sentry mode, all your acceleration, charging. So we don't have a high voltage test on this because they're not doing them quite yet, but I do believe this is supercharging as we speak. All the Cybertrucks I've sold are supercharging. I think they're allowing that until they do the high voltage test, and then they'll take it away and you'll have to get a high voltage test at that point. So full self-drive, fully paid for, heated, cooled seats. There you can see the Foundation Series. Premium connectivity included also. No upgrades on this one because it comes with all your upgrades. Open up that trunk here. A few little boogers on some of this plastic. Seat looks really good. This is a brand new wrap I put on it. Thought it looked cool. I just think they all look the same, so I've tried changing these up a little bit. You can see there is a few little nicks in this one. All your games, all your seat controls. Falcon off-road tires, black Rhino rims. These buttons control these. You roll this thing up and down. It all works. This rim is a little rough. It does have some, I don't know what happened, but I think the rest of the rims look good. That one's just not perfect. Rim looks good. This was front end damage. It is a rebuilt title. Had some damage through here. All been fixed up. I think that could be where the ultra bright lights are that comes with the Foundation Series. I think I gotta push the button to close that. can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.